All right, thanks for joining us today. We're going to take a look at the XIKEZAN. It's the beard care and grooming kit. This is basically a one kit for all your essentials, all ready to go with one purchase. So we're going to take a look at it. Is this worth your money? Is this worth your time buying or not? Listen, if you want to save time and avoid buying the wrong products, subscribe now. This is exactly what this channel does. We buy the products, we do a hands-on review so you don't waste your time or your money. I decided to buy this kit because it is fairly popular on Amazon to see if it really holds up to the statements of the actual company and some of the reviews that I read. I actually tested this for 1 week myself and went through each one of the products in comparison to some of the other items. If you haven't seen some of our videos, you can check those out on YouTube. Some of the other items that I have been using for some time. And here's my honest opinion. Here's my honest review for you guys. This kit, let's start off with what comes in it. It has a total of about 8 products here, starting off with your cleanser. You have the conditioning. It comes with 2 beard oils. They're this exact same except different scents. You've got the beard balm. And then let's talk about the accessories. We've got a pair of scissors, smaller ones. And we've got a comb, a wooden comb, and a brush. And then it's got a pouch to basically put everything in. All right, let's jump in. So, starting with the cleanser, you would obviously use this while taking a shower to first cleanse and do a full follow with the included conditioner to soften up your beard. The conditioner doesn't leave my beard as soft as some of the other products that I have tested or have been using. After basically you come out of the shower, you want to go ahead and dry your beard off. And then depending on which scent you want, you can choose one or the other. And you want to go ahead and apply the beard oil more to the skin underneath your beard. This is really meant for your skin to rejuvenate and to moisturize your actual skin. And it will in turn make your beard look that much healthier as well. So the oil itself feels decent. It absorbs fairly well. It doesn't leave your beard overly greasy, which is nice. The scent is clean, it's light, nothing offensive, but also nothing particularly memorable or premium, I would say. Next is the beard balm. This is more of a light styling and shaping, while also adding a bit more moisture to the actual beard, not so much of your skin. Again, it does the job, but the hold is pretty light and the overall feel just is, in my opinion, average. The scent is similar to the oil, pleasant, but not something that really stands out. And then let's move over to the accessories. We've got a wooden comb, which I'd never used a wooden comb before. And it's basically for the distribution of the oils and the balm and everything else. It's okay. Again, it's nothing great. And I wasn't too impressed using this. I like more of my traditional comb better than this wooden one. And it also comes with the brush. And this, again, works fine, has a nice ergonomic feel to it. But it's not really, again, it's not premium compared to the other one that I've used and I've also done a review on. And then finally, the scissors. Honestly, you probably get a couple uses out of this. In my opinion, they seem very inexpensive. They're too small to do any real grooming. You can do some fine touch-ups around the mustache, beard area, but you're not going to be able to get straight lines. You might be able to get some of the flyaways, but again, the feel of it is very cumbersome. tiring for your hands if you're using it for a long period of time. And you can just tell after a bit that the sharpness is going to go away and starts to pinch the actual beard rather than cutting them. So overall, using everything in this kit, I'd say it falls into just okay category across the board. Now that said, there is a type of buyer that this actually might make sense for. And so if you're brand new to beard care and grooming, and you just want one simple purchase that gives you all the basics in one box, this could work for you and it's a convenient option. This might also make an okay gift if someone is just starting out with growing their beard out. But if you really care about quality, or if you're already used to better grooming products, in my opinion, you're probably going to notice the difference of more premium products compared to the average products that this kit comes with. For me personally, after using the kit for a week, I wouldn't buy this again. I'd rather spend a little bit more money and get individual products that are premium, better scent, better lasting for each category. And again, if you haven't seen some of those things that we've done, check out our other reviews online. And we're going to be doing more in the beard section for you guys. So good concept, convenient for beginners, but execution and quality, in my experience, just wasn't there. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Again, please consider subscribing so that we can continue to bring this sort of content for you guys. And thank you again, and join us soon.